In the infinite silence of the cosmos, where light from the most distant stars takes millions of years to reach us, one constant remains: a pulse. A steady rhythm, born from the explosive death of massive stars, resounds through the fabric of space. Pulsars, neutron stars that spin at incredible speeds, emit beams of radiation with unyielding precision, creating a cosmic clock that ticks through the void, echoing the heartbeat of the universe itself. As these stellar remnants pulse their steady rhythm across the galaxy, they offer us more than just light. They offer us a glimpse into the very fabric of time and space. They offer us the keys to navigate the vast, uncharted expanse of the universe. This is the promise of pulsars, an untapped resource that will become one of the most important tools in humanity's quest to explore the stars. The journey of a pulsar begins with the death of a massive star, one much larger than our Sun. This star, having exhausted its nuclear fuel, undergoes a cataclysmic collapse under its own gravity. As the core contracts, protons and electrons combine to form neutrons, creating a dense neutron star, a compact, spinning object with more mass than the Sun, compressed into a space no larger than a city. This is the birth of a pulsar. When the star collapses, it doesn't quietly fade away. Instead, it erupts in a brilliant supernova, shedding its outer layers in an immense explosion. What remains is a rapidly spinning neutron star, with its magnetic fields channeling radiation into beams that sweep across space. These beams are not like the light from ordinary stars. They are pulses, flashes of radiation that travel at the speed of light, arriving with an incredible precision. The pulsar's core spins with extraordinary speed, completing hundreds of rotations every second. The beams of radiation emitted from the magnetic poles sweep across the cosmos like the beams of a lighthouse. When one of these beams passes over Earth, we detect it, a regular, unbroken pulse that can be measured with incredible accuracy. This steady rhythm of pulsar emissions serves as a celestial clock that has remained unchanged for billions of years. The hallmark of a pulsar is its unwavering precision. These cosmic objects are some of the most reliable timekeepers we have ever encountered. The pulses emitted by a pulsar are so regular that they rival the most precise atomic clocks on Earth. Imagine a heartbeat, echoing through the galaxy, its rhythm untouched by the passage of time. Each pulse arrives at precisely the same interval, down to the nanosecond. Pulsars spin at incredible speeds, with some rotating hundreds of times per second. Their intense magnetic fields create a beam of radiation, which sweeps across space like the light of a lighthouse. Unlike a regular star, whose light can be distorted by gravitational forces or cosmic dust, pulsar signals remain constant, unaffected by the interstellar medium. With this remarkable precision, pulsars have become our cosmic metronomes. Their pulses provide a reference for measuring time over vast distances, allowing us to track the motion of objects, measure the curvature of space-time, and even detect the tiniest disturbances in the fabric of the universe. They are a window into the workings of space itself, a tool that can guide us across the stars. On Earth, we rely on GPS technology to navigate our world. Satellites orbit the planet, sending signals that help us pinpoint our location with precision. But as we venture beyond Earth, GPS becomes less useful. Space is vast, and its boundaries stretch far beyond the reach of satellites. As we journey farther from home, into the depths of the solar system and beyond, how will we find our way? The answer lies in the rhythm of the pulsars. Unlike Earth's GPS, which requires satellites in orbit, pulsar-based navigation, known as XNAV, uses the pulses emitted by these neutron stars as natural beacons. A spacecraft traveling through the vast expanse of space can pick up signals from multiple pulsars scattered across the galaxy. By measuring the time it takes for these signals to reach the spacecraft, and by knowing the exact location of the pulsars, the spacecraft can determine its position with astonishing accuracy. Think of it as a cosmic GPS. Just as a car on Earth uses signals from multiple satellites to pinpoint its location, a spacecraft can use pulsar signals to chart its course through the universe. Whether it's exploring the moons of Jupiter, venturing to Mars, or even traveling to distant exoplanets, pulsar navigation offers a reliable method to guide us through the cosmic ocean. Unlike traditional systems, pulsar-based navigation does not require a network of satellites to orbit a specific region. Instead, the signals from pulsars, scattered across the galaxy, act as a decentralized network. This means that no matter where we are in the universe, the steady pulses of these neutron stars will provide a constant guide, a universal roadmap for humanity's journey through the stars. In 2018, NASA's Sextant experiment aboard the International Space Station demonstrated the power of pulsar-based navigation in space for the first time. Using the Neutron Star Interior Composition Explorer (NICER) instrument, the team aboard the ISS measured signals from multiple pulsars, then used this data to calculate the station's position with remarkable accuracy. This breakthrough proved that pulsars could be used for space navigation in real time. With this technology, the ISS was able to determine its location to within just a few kilometers, on par with the accuracy of Earth-based GPS systems. This was a proof of concept for pulsar navigation in low Earth orbit, but its potential extends far beyond. If we can navigate the ISS using pulsars, imagine what's possible for deep space exploration. From here, the possibilities expand exponentially. As we send missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond, pulsars will provide the steady, reliable reference needed to navigate through the solar system and into the depths of interstellar space. Sextant is just the beginning. Future missions will rely more and more on pulsar-based navigation as humanity pushes farther into the unknown. While pulsars guide us through space, they also help us explore the most fundamental aspects of the universe. One of the most exciting uses of pulsar timing is in the detection of gravitational waves, ripples in space-time caused by massive cosmic events, such as the collision of black holes or neutron stars. Gravitational waves are incredibly faint, stretching and compressing space by infinitesimal amounts. Their detection has long been a challenge for scientists, but pulsars, thanks to their precision, serve as the ideal tools for this task. As gravitational waves pass through space, they distort the distances between Earth and distant pulsars. These subtle changes in the timing of the pulsar signals can be measured to reveal the presence of gravitational waves. This method, known as a pulsar timing array (PDA), uses a network of radio telescopes to track pulsars scattered across the globe. By measuring the arrival times of their signals, scientists can detect gravitational waves, unlocking a new way to study the universe's most extreme phenomena, like the merging of supermassive black holes. Pulsars are not just navigational beacons. They are also our cosmic instruments for probing the very fabric of spacetime. Through their rhythmic pulses, we are able to detect the most violent events in the universe and test the limits of our understanding of the laws of physics. As we look to the future of space exploration, pulsar-based navigation will become indispensable. Traditional methods of navigation will fall short as we venture farther from home, into the interstellar void. The future of space exploration, from interplanetary missions to interstellar travel, will be guided by the steady pulses of these cosmic lighthouses. Imagine a future where humanity's spacecraft, traveling at incredible speeds across the galaxy, rely on pulsars to maintain their course. As we send probes to distant star systems, pulsars will be the navigational beacons that guide them through the darkness. These celestial timekeepers will allow us to explore distant exoplanets, study alien moons, and perhaps even one day reach other star systems. In the next century, pulsar-based navigation could be the backbone of interstellar exploration. As we develop faster propulsion technologies and expand our reach beyond the confines of our solar system, pulsars will provide the unshakable guidance we need to chart new worlds, discover new civilizations, and unlock the mysteries of the universe. In the rhythm of pulsars, we hear not just the pulse of the universe, but the heartbeat of human exploration. With each pulse, we take another step toward the stars, guided by these ancient, cosmic lighthouses. Through their steady light, we will navigate the darkness, uncover the secrets of the cosmos, and perhaps one day reach the farthest corners of space itself.